Hydraulic washing. Ore particles are mixed with impurities like sand, clay, etc. And these impurities are called as gangue. Concentration of ore. Removal of the unwanted materials from the ore is called as concentration of ore. Ore particles are heavier than the impurities like sand and clay. A stream of running water is used to wash the powdered ore. Heavier ore particles are separated by the gangue particles. And settle down at the bottom due to gravitational force. And the lighter gangue particles are washed away by running water. By this hydraulic washing, ore particles are separated by the gangue particles.